For months, astronomers believed 3I, ATLAS would be nothing more than a rare visitor from another star system. A frozen object drifting through the darkness of space, passing through our solar system before disappearing forever. But as more powerful telescopes turned toward it, especially the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists discovered that this interstellar traveler was far more unusual than expected. Its brightness, chemical composition, and activity patterns created questions that challenged what we understand about objects coming from beyond our solar system. At first, researchers expected a familiar comet-like body made mostly of ice and dust. Instead, they found a strange combination of materials that did not perfectly match known examples. The object appeared to contain unusual amounts of carbon-based compounds and metallic elements, creating a chemical fingerprint unlike many traditional comets. Scientists began asking whether 3I, ATLAS was simply a rare type of natural object or a completely new category of interstellar visitor. Every observation revealed another mystery hidden inside this ancient traveler from another star. One of the most fascinating discoveries came from studying its movement. Normal comets change their paths slightly because gases escaping from their surfaces act like tiny natural engines. These changes are usually random because different areas of the comet heat up unevenly. But 3I, ATLAS maintained a surprisingly stable trajectory as it traveled through the solar system. Scientists investigated several possible explanations, including unusual surface activity, rotation patterns, and the effects of its unique structure. The object was compared with previous interstellar visitors such as Oumuamua and Borisov, but 3I, Atlas appeared different in several important ways. While those objects also surprised researchers, this new visitor provided another reminder that the universe may contain countless types of bodies that humanity has never encountered before. It was not only a piece of rock and ice. It was a message from another planetary system, carrying information about conditions around a distant star. As 3I, ATLAS moved closer through the inner solar system, the James Webb Space Telescope began analyzing its infrared signature in greater detail. Infrared observations allowed scientists to study the object's temperature, gases, and hidden chemical processes. The data revealed complex changes in the cloud of material surrounding it, known as the coma. Instead of behaving like a simple cloud of dust and vapor, the surrounding material showed patterns that required deeper investigation. Natural explanations remained the primary focus. Scientists considered factors such as uneven heating, internal pressure, surface fractures, and unusual chemistry. However, the object continued to challenge expectations. The most exciting possibility was not that it was artificial, but that nature itself might be far more creative than current models suggest. An object formed around another star could contain completely different chemistry, different structures, and clues about how planets develop throughout the galaxy. The close passage of 3I, ATLAS near Mars created an extraordinary opportunity for scientists. Several spacecraft observing the Martian environment provided additional data, allowing researchers to compare information from multiple locations. Although predictions showed a close encounter rather than a confirmed collision, the event became one of the most important studies of an interstellar object ever recorded. Scientists wanted to know what materials it carried, where it came from, and what secrets it could reveal about distant worlds. Every particle released from 3I, ATLAS represented a piece of another solar system, traveling across space for millions or even billions of years before reaching us. The object became a natural time capsule, preserving evidence from a place humanity may never physically explore. The story of 3I, Atlas is ultimately a reminder that the universe is much larger and stranger than we imagine. For centuries, humans looked at the stars as distant points of light, separated from our own world. But interstellar visitors like this prove that space is constantly connecting different corners of the galaxy. Objects from unknown worlds can enter our solar system, reveal their secrets, and force us to rethink what we know about planetary formation, chemistry, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The greatest discoveries are often not the ones that confirm our beliefs, but the ones that challenge them. And 3I-ATLAS may be one of those rare cosmic visitors that leaves behind more questions than answers. As scientists continued analyzing 3I, Atlas, attention turned toward one of the biggest questions surrounding any interstellar object. What exactly happened during its journey through space before reaching our solar system? Every comet carries a history written in its chemistry, but an object from another star system carries a completely different story. Researchers studied the gases released from its surface, searching for clues about the environment where it was born. The results suggested that 3I-ATLAS formed under conditions very different from the objects found around our own Sun. Its unusual mixture of elements hinted at a distant planetary system with its own unique history of formation and evolution. In a way, this object was not just traveling through space. It was carrying a record of another star, another world, and another chapter of cosmic history directly to our doorstep. The James Webb Space Telescope continued monitoring the object as it moved farther through the solar system. Its powerful infrared instruments allowed scientists to see details that were impossible to detect with previous technology. Researchers observed changes in the object's temperature and the way material was escaping from its surface. These observations helped scientists understand how interstellar bodies survive the harsh environment between stars. Space between solar systems is not empty. It contains radiation, magnetic fields, and extreme temperatures that can transform objects over millions of years. The fact that 3I-ATLAS survived such a journey and still carried complex chemical information made it one of the most valuable natural laboratories ever observed. Another mystery involved the object's origin. By studying its trajectory, astronomers attempted to trace its path backward through the galaxy. Unlike planets and moons that belong to our solar system, 3I-ATLAS was only passing through. Its original home could be thousands of light years away, around a star humanity may never observe directly. This raised fascinating possibilities. Could similar objects have traveled between countless star systems throughout the history of the galaxy? Could planets exchange material through these cosmic messengers? Some scientists believe interstellar objects may play an important role in spreading organic molecules across space, delivering ingredients that could eventually contribute to the formation of life in new environments. The observations of 3I-ATLAS also changed how scientists think about the future of astronomy. For decades, humanity studied planets and stars within our own cosmic neighborhood. But interstellar visitors provide something different. They allow us to study material that was created somewhere else without leaving Earth. Future telescopes and missions may discover many more objects like this, each one carrying new information about distant planetary systems. What makes 3I-ATLAS so important is not only what we discovered about it, but what it represents. It is evidence that our solar system is part of a much larger cosmic ecosystem where worlds are connected by the movement of matter across the galaxy. In the end, 3I-ATLAS reminds us that the universe is still full of unanswered questions. Every strange signal, every unusual chemical signature, and every unexpected discovery pushes science forward. The object that appeared to be just another visitor from the darkness became a window into places humanity has never seen. It showed us that there are still countless mysteries waiting beyond our planet, beyond our solar system, and perhaps beyond our current understanding of reality itself. The next interstellar visitor may reveal even greater secrets, but for now, 3I-ATLAS stands as a powerful reminder that the cosmos is not silent. It is constantly sending pieces of its story across the stars, waiting for us to learn how to read them.